Types of scaffolding.
1. Static tower. Generally consists of 4 standards. On the plan at dot centers and not dot exceeding to 0.4 meters. Maximum height dot of static tower scaffold. 3.5 minimum base. Dimensions. For outdoor static tower dot scaffold. 4 times minimum base dot dimensions for dot indoor static tower dot scaffold. Mobile tower dot scaffold. Generally consists dot of 4 standards forming rectangular or square at dot centers in the plan. Maximum height of dot mobile tower scaffold. 3 times minimum base dot dimensions for dot outdoor mobile tower. 3.5 minimum base dot dimensions for indoor dot mobile tower scaffold. 3 independent tower dot scaffold. Generally consists of a more dot than 1 bay or more bay dot in length not exceeding to 0.4 meters. First lift height dot not more than 2 meters. For birdcage scaffold. Consists of 3 or more standards. In both directions. Single lift birdcage scaffold dot need kicker lift or kicker tie. More than 1 lift no need. Kicker tie. 5 underhang scaffold. All the underhanded scaffold shall be hang from the structure, capable of supporting at least 4 times dot load imposed on them by the scaffold. A pair of girder coupler must be used dot to fix horizontal tubes that act fixing dot point for the hanger. 6 truss out scaffold. Support dot scaffold. Truss out scaffold is an independent, tied scaffold not erected from the ground, but supported by the scaffold projecting dot from the face of building or structure. 7 cantilever scaffold. It is also independent tied scaffold, erected on the beam cantilevering on dot structure. It consists of cantilever, standards, putt logs. It is used under following circumstances. Ground is weak to support. Construction of upper part of the wall if the dot be carried out. It is required to keep the ground, near wall, dot free for traffic. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and dot leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the dot world to me and helps me keep dot creating great content for you. See you in the next video.